Dagdagan ko lang, sorry. Nakita naman natin na very constructive yung House when it came to questions. Nothing personal, nothing political. Alam niyo naman sa House of Representatives, very demure, very mindful yung mga members. Saka yung consideration talaga saka yung courtesy was afforded. And walang kahit anong diversionary tactics, walang kahit anong tanong na taliwas sa laman ng budget. Ang trabaho po namin, magbusisi at magtanong. Ang trabaho po nila, ipresenta yung budget at sagutin yung mga tanong. Ganun lang naman po kasimple, wala naman pong kahit ano pa dyan.
Isang pahabol na lang, konti na lang. Kung naghahanap sila ng script, ang tanong namin, bakit ang isang television interview na obviously parehong subject, parehong interviewer, parehong set nga, in-extend pa ng 3 araw at purposely released in sync with the proceedings in Congress? Siguro mas alam ng taong bayan kung sino ang may script.